Alam mo ba pwede kang pumunta directly to Bohol from Leyte? In less than 2 hours, makakarating ka na ng Ubay, Bohol galing Bato, Leyte. As in, sobrang bilis lang. From Ubay, pwede ka na mag-bus to Tagbilaran and other parts of Bohol province. So, I'm on my way to Ubay na from here in Bato. So, nasa port na ako. Nakakuha ako ng ticket na 500 pesos siya. Fast craft. Ang pangalan ng shipping company is Mama Mary Sea Transport. Mama Mary Sea Transport. And meron pang, parang 4 times a day yung trip na pala dito between Bato and Ubay. So, 7:30 itong Mama Mary, tapos 8:30 Swemco, tapos may 11 din na Swemco, and then 7 a.m. and 3 p.m. na Roro naman yung medallion, and merong 20 pesos na terminal fee. Ayun. So, lalakad na ako dito from the entrance sa port papunta na dito sa docking area ng mga barko. May fastcraft at may Roro sa route na to, and for this trip, nag-fastcraft ako para mas mabilis. Nasa 1 hour and 45 minutes lang ang fastcraft at nasa 3 hours naman ang Roro. May multiple operators din sa route na to. May dalawang fast ferry ang Socorro Empowered People's Cooperative, ang MV Suwemco Mariner 1 at Santo Niño Fast Boat. 8:30 a.m. and 11 a.m. ang schedule from Bato. Tapos, may 2 to 3 times daily schedule naman ang Medallion Roro. Usually, may umaga at may early afternoon. Lastly, may isang trip naman ang Mama Mary Sea Transport. Fast ferry din ito at 7:30 a.m. ang departure, and ito yung sinakyan ko. Dapat pala medyo flexible kayo sa oras dito. I am not sure if this time lang or talagang di nasusunod ang oras ng departure dito sa Bato Port. Dapat 7:30 a.m. ang alis ng ferry pero 8:48 na ang actual departure. Sabi dahil daw di bumiyahe yung 8:30 a.m. na ferry kaya nag-antay pa ng pasahero. Sunday ako bumiyahe and konti lang din talaga ang pasahero. So naiintindihan ko naman. It's 7:45 na and hindi pa rin umalis tong barko na to, yung fast craft na to na sinakyan ko. Although hindi naman ako masyadong bothered kasi Hindi naman ako nagmamadali this time. But it was supposed to leave at 7:30 a.m. So I don't know kung anong oras ko aalis. But yeah, maybe 8. Kakaalis lang nung isang barko, yung medallion. Ayun, yun 7 a.m. din yan dapat umalis. Pero ngayon lang nakaalis. Roro naman yan. So, mas mabagal. So, update. It's already 8:20 and hindi pa rin umaalis tong sinakyan kong fast craft ferry. Narinig ko may nag-complain kasi baka hindi pa umalis 7:30 ito. Sabi hindi daw aalis yung 8:30 na ferry kaya nag-aantay ng pasahero. So yun, malamang 8:30 or more than 8:30 pa to aalis. Later than 8:30 pa to aalis, which is really bad. Kasi isang oras, nagmamadali pa ako kanina, umalis ng hotel, ng pension house, tapos kasi iniisip ko 7:30 alis. Siguro nasa isip ko latest maybe 8 a.m. Pero my God, it's 8:21 na. Di pa rin umaalis. It's bad. It's really bad. I hope yung regulation ng ano bang nag-regulate dito, Marina or EPA or what, I don't know. Dapat i-tighten nila yung ano dito, yung rules. Pag scheduled, maybe dapat schedule may pasahero o wala. Alis talaga dapat, like sa bus or anyway, yun lang. Next update, 8:38 na, hindi pa rin kayo umaalis. Pero I think paalis na kasi umakyat na yung Coast Guard, nag-inspect na, so most likely paalis na itong ferry na ito. So, more than an hour delayed. Ayon, smooth naman ang biyahe and in less than 2 hours nga nakarating na kami ng Ubay Port sa Bohol. So we finally arrived here in Ubay and it's 10:30 a.m. So approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes yung biyahe. And from the port, nag-tricycle lang ako papuntang bus terminal at sumakay na ako ng papuntang Tagbilaran City. And yun lang for now guys. Make sure to follow for more and until next vlog, amping!